If you are like me who likes cocoa flavor, but tired of that for everything and looking for something a little different, then you will like this video where I show how I make this little heart treat. I was benefited by adopting a mostly raw food based diet during early 2018. I lost 23 pounds or 11 kgs of weight, got rid of type 2 diabetes and hypertension within 100 days of adopting this diet. Both these diseases have shadowed me for 18 long years. I also got rid of high cholesterol and a potential angiogram for coronary correction, which issues have cropped up in 2017. My goal for this channel is to convey to people that this is not an impossible diet to follow, and to encourage people to move into this diet and become healthy both physically as well as mentally. I make recipes that are simple to make, delicious and visually appealing as well. In this video, I will show how to make a simple, delicious, easy to reach energy bites made from ingredients such as almonds, coconut, carob powder and pistachio. You will need a simple food processor for this. Almonds 1 cup, desiccated coconut 1 cup, pista 1 tablespoon, carob powder 4 teaspoons, soft dates about 10 of them. I am adding all the dates here. These are soft dates. If you do not have soft dates at home and you only have dry dates, you may want to pre-soak them. I am adding some pista as well, carob powder, which is our main ingredient today. You may have to use your spatula once in a while because the dates will be relatively hard and we are not adding any water here. You will have to stop and make sure that everything is blend well smoothly. This is fairly soft and blended well. Still there are a few pista pieces, but that's okay. I will now add the almonds. So these can be stored for a longer time without losing any of the nutrition. The small blender was not able to move around the items, so I switched over to the food processor after the almonds and coconut flakes have become larger for that particular blender. So now let's try on the food processor. So we don't need it to be very soft. If it is pliable and you are able to make dough out of this, that should be adequate. So that's fine. So you can still see that there is some amount of powderiness, but that is fine. To be able to remove those shapes later on easily, I am having a organic sheet. This one is an organic one, but then you could use a regular plastic wrap as well. And I've got my special shape for this from my arsenal, these heart shaped ones, which can cut it in the shape of a heart. You could also empty everything and whatever is left over is put on this shape cutter directly and shape it up. That way we can get some thick ones as well. And this is how the final product look like. Very tempting. tasting time, always exciting. So carob powder sweet is something that I have not made for quite some time, and today I have made it. It is so tempting that I have picked up one of those larger ones which I made towards the end. Let me test it and tell you how does it feel. Wow, this is quite coconutty. So carob powder and coconut combination has come out very well. This is something that I have not expected at all. Came in as a surprise to me, and a very pleasant surprise. It's quite coconutty. I can feel the taste as well as the chewiness as I bite into it, but the taste also supplemented very well. Carob powder, as much as it may look like cocoa, it doesn't have a taste anything closer to cocoa. While cocoa is bitter, carob powder is sweet. In fact, it is called as a natural sweetener as well. So I think this is a sweet you want to make quite frequently. Enjoy your day. It doesn't have to be always cocoa based chocolates, which are nice. I am also going to enjoy one more time in 2-3 days when I make one more. I like cocoa chocolates quite a bit, but then this has got a different flavor. Why not taste it? So here are my final thoughts. While all of us enjoy snacking, it's not a good idea to snack on commercially bought items with lot of flour, maida, lot of artificial emulsifiers, whatnot goes into it, and many ingredients go through a lot of heating. This takes away the nutrients. If you are going to snack anyway, which we all do, why not eat something that is healthy? This is something that is really delicious. I'm telling you, I'm not saying it for the sake of it. Make one, you will know that this is quite delicious, that the entire family will enjoy. From kids to adults, male and female, I think everyone will enjoy. Make something such as this at home, which is cheap, nutritious and healthy. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please click on that like button and subscribe if you haven't done, because this is what encourages me to make more such videos and be helpful to others as well. Thank you for watching anyway. Have a nice day or evening, whatever is left for you. Thanks for your time. Please click whether you disliked it or liked it. Anything is better than none. Send your comments as well. I post several videos. You may like at least some of them. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and also click on the notification bell.